In this video, I will show you how to clean your house before Christmas. The festive season is just around the corner, and what better way to welcome the holiday spirit than by having a clean and inviting home for Christmas? Cleaning your house before the festivities kick in not only sets the stage for a warm and welcoming environment, but also helps you enjoy the season without the stress of clutter and chaos. In this guide, we'll walk you through a detailed and practical approach to cleaning your house before Christmas, ensuring that your home sparkles and shines for the upcoming celebrations. 1. Create a cleaning schedule. The first step to a successful pre-Christmas clean is to create a cleaning schedule. List down all the tasks that need to be done, categorize them by room, and assign specific days or time slots to each. This not only helps you stay organized, but also prevents you from feeling overwhelmed by tackling everything at once. 2. Declutter and organize. Before diving into deep cleaning, start by decluttering your home. Go through each room and identify items that you no longer need or use. Donate, recycle, or toss them out. Once the clutter is cleared, organize the remaining items in a systematic way. Invest in storage solutions like baskets or bins to keep things in order. 3. Dust and wipe surfaces. Dust has a way of accumulating unnoticed, and there's no better time to banish it than before Christmas. Grab a microfiber cloth or a duster and go over all surfaces, including shelves, countertops, and furniture. Pay special attention to neglected areas like ceiling fan blades and baseboards. Wipe down surfaces with a gentle cleaning solution to give your home a fresh and polished look. 4. Deep clean the kitchen. The kitchen is the heart of holiday festivities, so give it some extra love. Clean out the refrigerator, wipe down all appliances, and scrub the countertops and sink. Don't forget to clean the oven and microwave, ensuring they're ready for holiday cooking. Polish faucets and handles for that extra shine. 5. Refresh the bathroom. Guests are likely to use the bathroom, so make sure it's in top shape. Clean the toilet, sink, and bathtub or shower thoroughly. Replace old towels with fresh ones, and consider adding some holiday-scented air fresheners for a pleasant atmosphere. 6. Tackle the floors. Whether you have carpets, hardwood, or tile floors, a good cleaning is essential. Vacuum carpets and rugs, mop hard floors, and consider getting carpets professionally cleaned if needed. This not only enhances the overall cleanliness of your home, but also creates a welcoming environment for your guests. 7. Decorate as you clean. Combine the cleaning process with decorating your home for Christmas. As you clean each room, add some festive touches. Hang a wreath on the door, place candles or holiday-themed decorations on tables, and consider adding some cozy throws and pillows for a touch of warmth. 8. Focus on personal spaces. If you're expecting overnight guests, pay extra attention to personal spaces like guest bedrooms. Change bed linens, fluff pillows, and ensure there's ample storage space for their belongings. Consider placing a small gift or a festive touch in their room to make them feel welcome. Additional tips and advice. Now that you've tackled the main cleaning tasks, here are some additional tips to ensure your home is holiday ready. Check and replace light bulbs. Ensure all your lights are working and replace any burnt-out bulbs to create a warm and well-lit atmosphere. Create a festive aroma. Consider using scented candles, essential oil diffusers, or potpourri to infuse your home with delightful holiday scents. Set up a cleaning station. Keep cleaning supplies easily accessible during the holiday season for quick touch-ups before guests arrive. Delegate tasks. If you have family members or roommates, delegate specific tasks to share the workload and make cleaning a group effort. In conclusion, cleaning your house before Christmas is a rewarding endeavor that sets the stage for a joyful and stress-free holiday season. By following these tips and taking a systematic approach, you'll be able to enjoy the festivities in a home that radiates warmth and hospitality. Happy cleaning and Merry Christmas! If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.